This is the backmoth caterpillar. Backmoth caterpillars love the oak trees. These dark-colored caterpillars feature tufts covered in venomous spines that cause red stinging rashes. Many venomous caterpillars have hair or spines. In contact with human skin can cause pain and blistering. Avoiding caterpillar is the best. Remove spines by applying and removing tape to strip the irritating hairs and spines out of the skin. Caterpillar cause a surprising number of stings for such a small creatures. Caterpillar cause misery to humans who touch them. Caterpillars feed on leaves as they grow, from eggs before they develop into pupa and finally into adult moths. Here are some tips to treat caterpillar exposures. If the caterpillar is on the skin, remove it without using your hands. And gently put the tape over the exposed area. Stick it side down. Any kind of tape will do. Pull up the tape, removing the hairs or spines. Repeat with press pieces of tape as often as needed to treat the area involved. Wash the area gently with soap and water. If the area itches, put on a paste of baking soda and water. If that doesn't help, try a hydrocortisone cream. If that doesn't help, try an antihistamine cream. That shouldn't be the first choice, as it doesn't always help. Also, some people have a skin reaction to these creams. If the area is badly blistered, contact your health provider. Most problems from caterpillar exposures are due to tiny hairs or actual spines on a caterpillar's body. Some cause allergic reaction. A few of these insects contain a toxin that actually cause poisoning, though that is not common. For some caterpillars, their spines can blow on the breeze and land on skin, eyes, and clothing. This is common with gypsy moth caterpillar. From time to time, a young child will do what young children often do: pick up something interesting and try to eat it. Preventing caterpillar exposures can be difficult, as they often are feeding on the underside of leaves. Wearing a hat and gloves while gardening can help. Be careful with pushy and hairy caterpillars. With the seasons changing and summer coming to an end, we will start to notice many of our caterpillars moving around during fall. They may be found on food plants or wandering around looking for a place to pupate and are more readily seen. While most caterpillars are harmless, even though some may look menacing, such as the hickory horned devil, there are a few that can cause mild to moderate stings. Some caterpillars have stinging hairs. Spines are hollow and filled with venom from a gland at the base of hairs. When contacted, the hairs break and venom gets into the wound caused by the hairs, spines. The older the caterpillar, the more potent its sting will be, with the most powerful right before it pupates. This time of year, this is the stage we will mostly see, resulting in the more dangerous time to come in contact with this species. Just remember, while the caterpillars are dangerous, adult moths are not and do not have stinging hair spines. While most types of caterpillars are harmless, there are some species of stinging caterpillars. Caterpillars that are toxic and sting are generally hairy or have spikes on their bodies. Handling one of these dangerous caterpillars could leave you with a nasty sting similar to a bee's sting. Before picking up any kind of caterpillar, it is important to identify the species to know if it is harmless or not. All caterpillars are larvae that belongs to the order of moths and butterflies, called Lepidoptera in the class of Insecta. After hatching from eggs, caterpillars are ravenous eaters and mainly consume plant and tree leaves. Although not all species of caterpillars are venomous, they can do tremendous damage to plant foliage. Mahigpit ang kapit niya sa sanga. Thank you for watching and see you next video.